Hello and welcome back to I'm Just a Guy. Trey here, bringing you another little update video. A couple weeks ago, I brought you a fully transformable print in place 3D printed Optimus Prime. Of course, that's this guy right here. Last week, I brought you a fully transformable 3D printed print in place Megatron. Of course, that's this guy over here. This week, I am bringing you a Volkswagen van. Now, the name on the file for this says Kombitron, K-O-M-B-I-T-R-O-N. But I kept thinking to myself, wasn't Wheeljack in one of the most recent Transformer movies? Wasn't he a Volkswagen van? Let me know in the comments down below. But anyway, let's just jump into this video. Super pleased with this one. This guy is hot off the press, or as they say, hot off the printing bed. I need to do some cleanup with him. Of course, I still need to go back and clean up both Optimus and Megatron. I get kind of lazy when it comes to cleaning up my models. I'm just a guy, go sue me. But I'm super happy with this one. He's very simple, very simple. Of course, all of them are simple, I guess, but this one is even more simple than the previous two. So let's just jump right into transforming him. Let's go ahead and check out. I'm really happy with all the detail, though. You know what I mean? With him being so simple as he is, the detail on him is pretty awesome. My wife wants to paint this one. She keeps pulling up pictures of a Volkswagen van. And she's like, look, I'm going to paint this one. All right, let's go ahead and transform him. He just kind of flips up. His hands detach. They have little pegs. His body swivels up. His arms swivel down like this, and then his head just comes up. And like I said, I gotta do some cleanup on this guy. Really good, but I figure once I do some cleanup on him, he'll look really nice. Like I said, super simple, super easy to transform. I love the detail of them, though. I really do. I really do. Let me know what you think about Kombitron, right? Or AKA, I guess, Wheeljack. Of course, someone's going to probably be like, no, there was a Kombitron. And if so, hey, cool. Right on. My apologies. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see everyone in the next video.